container?
Oh, those are bugs for today's math question.
But there's no bugs inside.
Uh-oh. the bugs must have gotten out.
Wait, they're all over here?
Well, I don't see any.
Uh-oh. Now I'm nervous.
Oh, well, don't worry about it. They're great. Bugs are really good for everything. Why don't we just do our math puzzle?
You think that would distract me?
It might.
Okay, let's
Worth
give it
a
a
shot.
Okay, here we go. So, we're given part of an addition sentence. Blank plus 6 equals 9.
Mm-hmm.
What we want to do is take a look at this picture and figure out how many bugs we see in all, and then see if we can use the picture to actually complete this addition sentence so that it actually matches what we see.
Oh.
So let's take a look and see what this means. So first of all, how many bugs do we see in all? So let's count together.
Okay.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8.
9. So we see 9 in all,
Okay.
which notice is right here. That's the number 9.
It is.
So let's see how many. Notice that they're grouped. You see how they're grouped in 2 groups?
Yes, I do.
Let's see how many there are in this group.
Okay.
So in this group, we see 1,
2,
3,
4,
5.
6.
So we see 6 in this group. We saw 9 altogether. Now look, there's 6.
Right.
And this plus means that we're going to now add, we're going to increase, we're going to put more in.
Right.
And so now it's this mystery number that has to equal 9 when we add it to 6. Well, that's this group right here. And how many do we see there? How many bugs do you see?
There's 3 little buggies right there.
3 little buggies. And so that means that, in fact, we put a 3 in here, and then we have an addition sentence that's correct. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and what that means is if you have 3 little buggies, and then you actually include 6 more, then all together we've counted, and we see that we have 9.
9 little buggies.
Exactly, and so we can say that we see 9 bugs in all, and the addition sentence we could write is 3 plus 6 equals 9.
Oh, that's great.
3 plus 6, and we get 9 altogether. And that's the answer.
Oh, hey, Professor, is there anything bugging you?
Yeah, I don't like the fact that all these bugs are crawling all over here. I wish we could get them all together.
Well, guess what?
What?
I found them.
You found them?
Yeah, they're right there in the math puzzle.
Oh, look, and they're already all lassoed up, so they're all
They're
fine.
all caught.
Phew! Thanks for saving the day yet again, Joey.
You're welcome, Professor Burger. No problem.
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.